I'm Ching-yuan, but you can also call me Joy. Welcome to a glimpse of my PhD life at the ARC Training Center for Predictive Breeding. I base here in UQ's St. Lucia campus. My project is on cotton, one of the world's key crops, using data from our partner, CSIRO. One part of it is haplotype optimization, which needs heavy computational analysis, so I spend more than half of my day at this desk to analyze the data. Just opposite is the plant future facility where I grow my cotton. Let's head over and take a look inside. And here is my cotton plants, pretty tall already. Each week, I measure their height and count their nodes to track growth. I also tag every flower, which becomes a ball, to record its anthesis state. Beyond my own project, I join journal club every 2 weeks to swap ideas and keep learning. I also attend conferences and workshops and visit breeding fields to broaden my horizons. Thanks for watching.